Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Where to Health. Today we will practice heart gesture, which is also known as Hridaya Chakra. For this you need to sit in any comfortable posture. It can be a swastikasana, sukhasana or vajrasana with spine, neck and head straight. Before starting or before practice this mudra, I would like to tell you some basic elements which represents our fingers. For example, our thumb represent fire element, index finger represent air element, middle finger represent space element, ring finger represent earth element and little finger represent water element. So now we will see how to make this mudra. This mudra is very simple. We will start with the right hand first. First of all, you have to put your tip of the index finger to the root of the thumb like this. Very good. Now join your tips of the middle and ring finger to the tip of the thumb and little finger remains straight. Very good. So this is your Hridaya Mudra. Now we will repeat this mudra from our left hand also. You have to put your tip of the index finger to the root of the thumb. Very good. Now join your tips of the middle and index finger to the tip of the thumb. Little finger remains straight. Very good. Now put your both hands on your knees. Very slowly. Very good. Be comfortable. Your spine, neck and head should be straight. Now slowly close your eyes. Very good. Be comfortable. Your body should be comfortable. Completely relax. Now just focus on your normal breathing. Very good. Focus on your Anahata chakra or Hridaya chakra. Feel the energy within yourself. Feel the energy which is coming from your hands. Just do concentrate on your breath and heart chakra. Remain in this posture for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, you can open your eyes very slowly. Very good. So, this mudra is very beneficial for our heart related problems. This mudra is very beneficial for maintaining the blood pressure. So I hope you will practice this mudra in your daily everyday's life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.